Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Children, today we are going to learn exercise 7 from the chapter Time. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to find out the number of days between the given time. So look at the first question. From 10 February 2012 to 10 March 2012. Here the month February is given. So first we want to find out the number of days in February. Here the year 2012 is given. 2012 is the leap year. So we will have 29 days in the February month, the year 2012. And here listen children, a hint is given. We want to include both the beginning and the ending date. So to find the number of days, we have to include the beginning and the ending date. So here from 10 February to March 12. So we have to include both the days, that is the 10th February and 10th March. We have to add these 2 days. First let us find out the remaining days in February and March. First we are going to find out the number of days in February except the given day. So here from 10 we are going to calculate. Totally 29 days are there. So we have to subtract 9 from 29 because we have included February 10 also. So before that we have 9 days. We are going to subtract 9 from 29. So 9 minus 9, 0, and here write down 2. So there are 20 days remaining in February. 20 days. And now look at the next month. It is March. We have to include 10th March also. So we have 10 days in March month. Number of days in March. That is 10 days. So to find out the number of days, we are going to add these numbers 20 and 10. Duration of total number of days equals, we are going to add these numbers 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 1, it is 3. So 30 days are there in between from 10th February to 10th March. There are 30 days in between. Let us write the answer. Total number of days between equals 30 days. The answer is 30 days. Shall we move to the next? Look at the next question. From 26 November to 30 December. So first we want to find how many days in November month. We know that there are 30 days in the November month. Listen children, we have to include 26th December also. You just count the number of days from 26 to 30. 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So we have 5 days in November month. So you have to start counting from 26 till 30. If you count, we can get the number of days in November is
5
5 days. Now let us find for December month. Here till 30th December we want to include. We have only 31 days, but here they have given only 30 days. So number of days in December is 30. Number of days in December is 30. So to avoid the confusion, here you can add 0. So now we are going to add the numbers 5 and 30 to get the number of days. Total number of days equals, just add the numbers 5 and 35. 5 plus 0, it is 5. 0 plus 3, it is 3. So 35 days are there in between from 26th November to 30th December. Let us write the answer. Total number of days equals 35 days. So 35 days are there between the given. Look at the next question. From 5 March to 26th April, we are going to count from 5th March to the date 26th April. So we know that in March month we have 31 days and April month we have 30 days. Let us find the remaining days. Number of days in March. Listen children, in March month we have 31 days totally, but here we are going to count from 5th March. So there are 4 days in before. We are going to subtract 31 and 4 because we are including the 5th March also. So subtract only 4 days which is before. 31 minus 4. 11 minus 4, 7, and here write down 2. So there are 27 days remaining in March month. And now we want to find out for April month. Number of days in April. So in the April month we have 30 days, but here they have given only till 26th April. So you just take the number 26. Now we are going to add these numbers to get the total number of days. Total number of days equals add the numbers 27 and 26. 7 plus 6, it is 13. Write 3 and 1 carry over. Now add these 3 numbers. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So there are 53 days in between 5th March to 26th April. Answer is total number of days equal 53 days. So there are 53 days in between from 5th March to 26th April. Look at the next question. We are going to find out from 25th April to to 16th June. So April to June, there is another month in between, that is May. Let us know how many days are there in these 3 months. April month we have 30 days, and May 31 days, and June 30 days. Listen, in April month we are going to count from 25th. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. We have 6 days in April month. Number of days in April, it is 6 days. So now we want to include the May month. It is a whole month. Here they have included the whole month. So we are going to take the number 31. Number of days in May, that is 31 days. And now we have to find out for June month. Here till 16th June they ask you to find. So we have to take the number 16. Number of days in June, that is 16. So till the date 16th they have given. So we have to take the number 16. Now to find out the total number of days, we are going to add these 3 numbers, 6, 31 and 16. Let us find the total number of days. To avoid the confusion, we can write 0 in before the number 6. Now add the ones place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 6, it is 13. So write 3 and 1 carry over. Now add the numbers. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. And 4 plus 1, 5. So here we have 53 days totally. So there are 53 days in between from 25th March to 16th June. Answer: total number of days equals 53 days. So from 25th April to 16th June, we have 53 days. So in today's class, we learn how to find out the number of days. Is the concept clear, children? We'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.